In this virtual world, everyone is just insane about Pokemon Go. You have seen that it has broken all the records of famous games. People are just insane about them and are just roaming here and there catching Pokemons on their smartphones. But it is very sad that in some of the app stores of iPhone or iPod, iPad or all other iDevices, this game is not available on the app store. So, friends, I Dikshant, I am here today to show you how to download Pokemon Go for free in any iDevice. Particularly, I am showing this you on iOS 9.3.2. So, let's get started. Let me first show you that my iDevice is not jailbroken. As you can see here, I have no Cydia installed on it. You can also see here where we search for the hidden apps. I have no Cydia installed, so I have a non-jailbroken device. Also, I will show you that my iDevice is working on the version iOS version 9.3.2. So let's get started. That I will show you how to install Pokemon Go on any iDevice without changing your region or doing something else like jailbreaking your device. It's just a simple way. You have to go to site given down below in the description. It will take you to this page, that is ios.hipstore.mobi, and it will show you that it is Pokemon Go by Niantic. Size is 105.34 MB. Just click on that download now button. It will give you this page or tab, all thing you call that. Then click on download. It will take you to another page where it will show you this thing, regular download Hip Store app. You just don't have to do this, but you will see that it is going countdown 5 4 3 2 1, and oh, that's cancel this. And after this you will see that you will be able to get a notification that to install Pokemon Go. Like it has come here that would you like to install Pokemon Go. You have to just click on install, but I will cancel it now because I have already installed it on my iDevice. Here you can see that I have Pokemon Go, but before starting it you have to do a very simple thing which we have to do this. You have to go to settings, and then here you will see that general option or bar or tab you call that. Go to general and then scroll down to profiles and device management. Here you will see there are enterprise apps. In enterprise apps you just search where it is Pokemon Go. There's just Pokemon Go. It is verified because I have already trusted this app. When you will open this tab, it will show you the in place of delete apps, that trust apps. You have to just click on that, then it will trust the apps which you have downloaded from the internet, net, Wi-Fi, LAN, anything you are using. Then after that, trusting the Pokemon Go will you have to just click on that Pokemon, and you will see that Pokemon Go has started. Here I have installed it, and this is Niantic, the Pokemon company. It will take some time to start, but it needs internet and GPS to work. As you can see that it has started. Let me show you that it is working. Yeah, it's working. It's showing the caution version because I don't know, it's showing GPS or something. This is taking time to load, but it will just load and the game will start, and GPS will automatically also start. Failed to log in because I have not signed in my account. You have to sign in your account or create an account using any email device, Gmail device, a Gmail device account, anything like that. So friends, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching this. I hope you like this, and please hit the thumbs up button so that I can give you more and more tutorials like this. Thank you.